Christian wins. Du vinner. Ja. Nej, där. Ja. Nu är det din tur, Christian. Inte på mitten, Anda. It only means that Christian will take the last one. Okay, ano plan, Christian? The blue. It's a prank! Not yet! Okay, nice. By the way, not yet. Oh, this time, I am calling Cherelle to take she has a surprise. This time, she has a surprise. There you go, the cake! Okay, so pinakasin nila yung microphone. Nice, okay. By the way, we would like to say thank you for Ate Mary Chris from Golda. She's the one, yeah. Inside this for you. It's a gift for both of you. Guys, are you excited? Can we hear some cheer? Team girl! Have a great bye! So the mechanics is you just have to slice it and then there's color inside. I think they need to hold hands together. But then, this is it. Para makita din namin. It's a girl. I think it's a boy. I think it's a prank. Okay. Let's do the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Oy. Oy. Sorry guys, we don't mean to, spoil your excitement, but I think we need to remove the cake because I'm sorry. It's a prank again. Sorry, it's not my plan. Therefore I said earlier that you need to bear with us. All right. This time, I think also Cheska is not here, but I think this time already is okay. I think this is very common for gender reveal. One for you, babe. The red one and one for. Okay, I get. In the balloon says he or she. What will baby do? And the other one is. I guess this is very familiar for everybody, but they just need to poke the balloon and then
feel it. No, just feel it. Like just hold it everywhere. Down, down, down. There. Alright.
We are happy